everyone, thank you for joining me this week. First of all, I want to reach out to everyone and say I hope you're doing okay during these times. I know things have been really stressful. There's a lot of anxiety in the world right now. Just make sure that you're taking mental health days for yourself. You know, a little bit of self-care. Your mental health is above all most important over anything else. So make sure you're taking time for yourself during all of this craziness. With that being said, as if things weren't crazy enough, I decided to move from Alberta to BC. So I am no longer in Edmonton. I am living in BC now. I am still making videos for Nail Basics and working closely with the girls at Nail Basics. So that won't be changing anytime soon. You may have noticed slightly different format of the videos, just have a bit of a different setup. As you can see, I'm working from my home office now. But with that being said, I have this month's subscription box. The November box is the Fall Amazing box. We have some new goodies from Light Elegance in there, some stamping supplies as well, and I put together a fun little look using the plate that is in this month's box. So we'll get to the unboxing. So November's box is called Fall Amazing. I don't have a card for it as I was in Edmonton before the cards were made. But in this box, you'll be getting either the Simply Organic 1 or 2 plate. These ones are kind of fun. They're just a bunch of organic patterns. And the Nail Basics Flexure. This is our medium viscosity building gel. The UberChic Nail Art Barrier. This is really awesome for when you're doing stamping, especially if you're stamping with gel. It makes it really easy to clean up off of the cuticle area. The What's Up Polish Color Silver Agent. If you haven't tried these polishes yet, they are amazing and you're gonna fall in love with them. And then we have 2 of the new P Plus colors. So in this box, you'll be getting both Traditions and Strand of Pearls. And then the new P Plus top coat as well.